Okay, so I'm going to show you two types of postpartum bands. The first one is the one that you will most likely be sent home from the hospital with after having a C-section. It's your straightforward elastic band that you pretty much just stretch across and attach. Now, I like it to sit lower than your C-section scar so that it's not ending right where that scar is. The other thing that's helpful is definitely having a barrier. So you'll want to wear it over a tank top or a shirt to give you a little bit more protection, because you certainly don't want anything rubbing right over that new scar, or you also don't want to develop a skin rash because the material's rubbing against other areas of your skin. So this is just the straightforward one. It's just fine if that's what you want to use. But there are a lot of other versions too if you find that this one just really isn't comfortable or you need more adjustability. There are a lot of different versions. I'll show you one other band here. This is the baby belly band. And this has a couple different options. So with this band, the material is softer, which is nice. It's not as wide of a band. So some people like it because it's less cumbersome. But with this, you can use it a couple different ways. So you can sit it a little bit higher, but still over the C-section scar. And similar to the other band, just stretch it across like that. It doesn't give you as much support up higher, but some people don't need as much of that, or they find that it's just too uncomfortable. So it gives you a little more support lower near your C-section scar. Now the other option with this band is if you've had some pain like in the pubic bone region or the SI joint region, like towards the back part of the pelvis, you can lay this belt a little bit lower so it goes over the hips and stretch it across there. Now you're still covering your C-section scar, so that shouldn't have irritation on it, which is good. But this also has these bands that you can pull from the back and pull them tighter. So that gives a little bit more compression right around the pelvic bones themselves. So again, if you've had maybe an issue with some separation of the pubic bone, this may be something that's a little more comfortable for you because it gives you more support for the actual pelvis and doesn't sit as high as the other band. So this might be the one for you. Now again, there are a lot of different options. So I would say do some research and find the best one for you.